Hi guys, this is Boyd's CNC machine, 6128 conversion lathe that I put together. I've just been rearranging my shed a little bit and haven't done much work with it, and I sort of couldn't help but come over to it and have a little play this afternoon. And so what we've set up here is a 50mm pipe, plastic pipe. This is in a threading operation because I've kind of got some irrigation that I'm doing, and I just saw the horrific cost of fittings in the shop, so I thought, well hey, I've got a little home CNC lathe, why don't I start looking at making them and seeing what we can achieve with it. So we're running through here. This is a bit of a temporary setup as I'm working on my shop all the time. This is the Mach 3 turn with the threading wizard. I've set it up for I think it's a 2mm pitch. It's going very, very well. Spindle RPM is bang on at 153, so the feedback from the pulse is working. Yeah, this is going great. This is cutting really nice. I don't know if you can see it here, and obviously with it moving on the screen you won't be able to see it as much until it stops, but this is cutting very, very well just on this PVC pipe. It's taking 0.01 mil bite each time. I've tried ramping up the spindle speed. It's currently on 150 RPM or 153 RPM. I have tried looking at it on 250 RPM. But that was too fast for my feeds. I also don't know what kind of a result I would get with that increased speed, but it's obviously something to play around with. I'm very happy with these little steppers here. The whole setup's very quiet. Me, it's all fun as making the machine and setting it up and getting it going, but now I don't really have anything to do with it. But there's always projects. It's good. This is great to have in the corner of my workshop. Wow, that looks awesome. I think we just have a couple more runs now. Now, one thing I have done is I've hooked up the emergency stop for the lathe, which also runs an emergency stop through to the CNC controller. That basically runs off the back of the switch, which is pretty cool. So it's all good. If we need to stop it, probably one of the first things I should have done. Just install that. Alrighty, we're done. That looks really good. Let's stop our lathe. Now this machine here, because I've set it up the way that I have, we can just release it and pull her over. That there is a really nicely cut thread. Hopefully you guys can see that there, but I'm really happy with that. It's clean. That's very good. I'll grab a nut.